In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a hyperlink to another sheet in Excel. So I have a file open here, and this is the cell where I want to create the hyperlink. And this is the sheet where the hyperlink redirects to. Okay, so let me show you the procedure that I have here. So first step is select on the cell where you want to create the hyperlink. Okay, that's the first step, just this. So I'm going to select the cell, just this cell, and then step 2 is right click on the cell and select link. So right click on the cell and select link. Okay, and then step 3 is in the Insert Hyperlink dialog box, select place in this document from the left panel. So select place in this document. Okay, so this one. And then step 4 is choose the sheet you want to link to and enter the cell reference. So in my case, I'm going to select this sheet and I'm going to leave the cell reference as is, which is A1. And the step 5 is click OK to create the hyperlink. Okay, now the hyperlink is created. Let's see if it works as expected. Okay, I'm going to click on the cell and it works as expected. So that's how you can quickly create a hyperlink to another sheet in Excel. Hopefully you found this video useful. If you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.